Điền lạc lạp cầm đơn chứng mất sự vật đàn vũ như cái thuộc cái kịch là đây thì bạn phần đập cái form bạn để liệt.
Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District Shri Garrett Ellen S. Dykes handed over the final electoral rolls, both in soft and hard copy, to the representatives of the political parties of the district in the conference room today in the presence of the Additional Deputy Commissioner Election, Srimati D.D. Singhai, Additional Deputy Commissioner Shri Alexander Mukim, Extra Assistant Commissioner Shri W.K. Kharbuli. Staffs of the election branch were also present.
For that, Rodan group will be lit. They come to people clap. Seeing link from Nam Gutu and caught in the Lang from Nilang Baro. Ban Punchlo, the Mar was singing in the day, but Slam that's the bunch down the end, one question on that Pagri Bagia, compact practice to missioner, when Punchlo, Banya, Snowpool, Bahayam.
Briefing the representative, Srimati D.D. Singhai informed that the strength of voters of the district after the final electoral roll summary revision has gone up. That includes Natyang constituency, Joai constituency, Ralyang constituency, Mokayao constituency and Amlarem constituency. The total number of voters as published is 1,90,575 with reference to 1st January 2022 as the qualifying date. She thanked the political representatives, BLOs, supervisors and field officers for their effort and cooperation during the special summary revision.
Melakukan summary revision kita belah eligible kita belah action apply kami kontak kami cuma dulu tentang yang form pembuatan kita belah eligible tak pun cash dari ujian beri anja atau di Meghalaya ASHA tanda tahi kamtam apa ban pensong ni ruba via kerma hibah Meghalaya ni publish ke draft dan kat ipi Meghalaya.
Furthermore, she informed that the Office of the Deputy Commissioner encourages those eligible and not yet enrolled to get themselves enrolled. The final roll of the 4 constituencies published has a total of 1,54,057 voters, out of which 74,128 are male voters and 79,929 are female voters.
But ni badan di constituencies di bawah kami file lagi form 7 condition dan banyak ikibri di layak. Ibu ni division dari ikibri di bawah hingga mau di bawah dari sebenarnya electoral.